Hey guys, this is AI Builds and we're the AI Brothers.
In today's video we will be changing circular motion into reciprocating motion, where this is a circular motion and this is the reciprocating motion. Reciprocating motion is just something that's going forward and back. Here is an example. This circular motion is spinning and this is going forward and back. So in this video we will be showing you how to make that. It is a very simple thing to make and can easily impress anyone. Be sure to like this video if you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe to our channel if you're new to it, or if you've already watched our previous videos and haven't subscribed yet. And comment down below what we should make next or do next. Onto the video.
Here are pieces for this build.
So you can see through all the pieces, and just be sure to collect them because the next part of this video will be the build.
Here's the build for today's build.
So first you get this and you get these pieces. You place these in like I'm doing, and then put it on this side or either side. Do the same for the other side. Then you gotta put this in and put this in, then place it there. Then you put this stopper there and connect this here, then put this here and this there.
Next, you get these two pieces,
Two stoppers and that,
and you put one here,
and one in the fifth one,
and then
you place it
in. And then get these two again, and get this red one and place it in.
Then you get this and then put these two here and then place it in like that. Do the same for the other side. Then you get this, put this in, get the axle, get another one, and then put this here. Connect this here and here. Then get this, put this here, put this there, and put it in like that. Then you get this, two of these, connect them together, and place them in. Then you put this axle there, and you put the small gear inside the axle, and then put this there. Then you get your big gear, place it in the middle, and then get the other big gear and put it in over here. Like that. Next, you get this final stopper, that's slidey, put it there, then connect it to the lift arm. Then you can attach the motor and connect it to the battery box. And there you go, you've got your circular motion to reciprocating motion complete. An example of this circular motion to reciprocating motion in real life is like at the arcades, where there are chocolates over here or coins or something, and there's a little moving system that's hitting the coins out like that. We hoped you liked this video and learned something from it. If you like circular motion to reciprocating motion, be sure to like this video if you enjoy this content. Subscribe to our channel if you're new, or even if you've been watching our videos for quite a while and aren't subscribed. Comment down below what we should make next or do next. Share this video with your friends and family. And enjoy!